Welcome back to our Tea of the Week series. This October, in honor of Breast Cancer Awareness Month, we're excited to spotlight a few of our women's wellness teas. In addition, we're proud to donate 100% of the profits from our Women's Wellness collection to the American Cancer Society throughout the entire month. One of the featured blends is our Organic Menopause Relief Tea, a soothing blend of 5 powerful herbs designed to help ease common menopause symptoms, like insomnia, hot flashes, mood swings, and hormonal imbalances. Enjoy wellness in every cup, knowing you're supporting a great cause. Black cohosh has been used for centuries to help reduce hot flashes, night sweats, and mood swings. Studies suggest that black cohosh may work by supporting hormonal balance, particularly by acting on estrogen receptors in the body. It can promote better sleep, which can be especially beneficial for women struggling with insomnia during menopause. Additionally, black cohosh can help with managing feelings of anxiety or depression that may arise due to hormonal fluctuations. Vitex berries, also known as chaste tree berries, are believed to support hormonal balance by influencing the pituitary gland, which helps regulate the production of progesterone and estrogen. This can be especially helpful in reducing symptoms like hot flashes, mood swings, and irritability. Vitex berries are also known for their ability to ease breast tenderness and help manage irregular periods that often accompany menopause. In addition to these benefits, Vitex can promote a sense of calm and well-being, which may help women who experience anxiety or depression during this transitional phase. Licorice root contains compounds that mimic estrogen, which can help balance hormone levels in the body and reduce symptoms like hot flashes and night sweats. Licorice root is also believed to support adrenal function, helping to manage stress and fatigue, both of which can be heightened during menopause. Its natural anti-inflammatory properties can aid in relieving joint pain and other discomforts often associated with this stage of life. Additionally, licorice root may help regulate mood swings and promote a more stable emotional state, providing support for women who experience irritability or anxiety. Sage is particularly effective in reducing hot flashes and night sweats due to its natural ability to regulate body temperature and balance hormones. Sage contains phytoestrogens, which are plant compounds that can mimic estrogen in the body, helping to relieve hormonal fluctuations. In addition to cooling the body, sage is also known to improve mood and mental clarity, making it helpful for women dealing with brain fog or mood swings. Sage can also aid in digestion, which can be beneficial for women experiencing digestive issues related to hormonal changes. Red clover is a powerful herb often used to alleviate menopause symptoms due to its rich content of phytoestrogens, plant compounds that mimic estrogen in the body. These natural compounds help balance hormonal fluctuations, reducing common symptoms like hot flashes, night sweats, and mood swings. Red clover has also been shown to support bone health, which is crucial during menopause, when the risk of osteoporosis increases. Additionally, it can promote heart health by improving circulation and maintaining healthy cholesterol levels. For this week's recipe, we are making our Organic Menopause Relief Tea into a spiced and cozy latte. This is how to make the menopause chai latte. First, steep 2 teaspoons of Organic Menopause Relief tea leaves in 8 ounces of near boiling filtered water for 7 minutes. While the tea steeps, add cinnamon and nutmeg to some heated almond milk and froth together for 30 seconds to a minute. Then add the tea and the milk to a cup, garnish with additional spices if you would like, and enjoy. Thank you for joining us. We'd love to hear about your experiences with Organic Menopause Relief Tea or any of our other blends. Please share your thoughts in the comments or on our socials. Happy steeping.